All right, let's take a look at this backpack. Now, everybody's going back to school and you guys want to look into backpacks for your kids. This might be a solution for you. So, we're going to take a look at this donut donut backpack, including with rolling wheels on the side. If you guys see it, very durable. It looks very durable. We're going to take a look at it, inspect it a little bit more further inside, and see what you guys think about it. So, first of all, what I'm looking at the size of it, it's a pretty long size. So we're gonna go ahead and measure it from here from point to point. It's about almost close to 19 inches. All right, and width. Let's see, it's about from the top of it, it's about 14 inches with the bag included. In the back, it's about 16 inches. So now, one thing I just noticed in the bottom, look at the bottom of it. All right, this is how durable it is. So it does have some rubber legs in the bottom. All right, this is all solid solid plastic. All right, it's a little solid plastic. It's pretty durable. Wheels, if you guys can see the wheels, they're kind of quiet. They're a little stiff on the rotation. All right, so not bad. It has a little fender right here, so in case it's gonna scrape the stuff or they walk any kind of sidewalks, it's gonna do it. It's gonna hit here. Now look at this back. All right, it has actually another entrance for supporting stuff in here, and there is, I guess, to cover the wheels. Oh, that's what it is for. Look at that. So in case you don't want to, if you want to get the wheels wet or anything like that, you want to use it as a backpack. I like the extra little support that comes in there available. It's all hidden within this compartment in here. Not that much room in the back, of course. And then you got these two areas where a little softened cushion right here, if you guys could see it. And on the cushion itself, this is for your back support pretty much. And there's kind of like a memory foam pretty much, and that's where it is. Now, this part right here, it's going to be extended from the outside, if you guys can see it. They all pop out from the back, and they all hit in there. So this could be part of your backpack, all right? This is part of the backpack. Let's put it back. This is great for kids, but I would say kids older than 5 years old because this is a little heavy, especially with the plastic in the bottom. Let's go take a look at the inside first. But first, we're gonna start with the external bags in here. Uh, the external bags, there's a couple of little bags in there for your pencils, other little accessories, little bags here and there. But not that much space here in the back. This would be pretty much for like a pencils and erasers and crayons, and that's it. Now, double zipper, I like that, the double zipper. Now, this is a handle here, and look at this Velcro. You could extend this so in case you're parenting, you're gonna grab the backpack. This is one way you could grab it from. Another external bag, and this is pretty much like a little more softened in place area. This would be probably for brushes, combs, and maybe lip gloss or something, you know. So if you can see the material, it's a little different. It's like a Velcro material in here. Let's close this out. Now, let's go in the inside. The first bag, there's another entrance. There's two entrances, all right? I'm going to go for the first one. We're going to open it up. And on this one right here, there is, if you guys can notice, there is an iPad area where you actually could put your iPad in here. This could be for your books or also they give you additional straps in here too. You strap on additional stuff for like your books, your laptop. It could go in here. So that's the first back entry. Let's go ahead and close that one out. Now we're gonna go to the larger entry. On the larger entry, if you guys can see it, this is similar to the back one too, but on this one would be for, pretty much for your laptop. It's a larger entry. This would be for laptop books and stuff like that. And they give you accessories here. What else is available? They have different colors. Durable, like we just talked about the rubber ends, the bottom end, and of course the zippers, the double zippers, the backpack, and then plenty of room for your containers in here, for your water containers. So we're gonna put that back in here, and the room space in there, I'm gonna open it up so you guys can see a little bit more. Room space is a lot big in there. It's pretty durable in there, pretty simple. And I like these here. So if you want more additional space to open up more, you just take out that. And there is a zipper in the back in here. The zipper is for, let's see, actually accessing the tube in here. So you can access the tube from the inside too, in case there's it gets trapped or jammed. You can always unjam it from there. So that's not a bad idea, you know. I wouldn't recommend to put stuff in there because they might fall off too. Now, additional to the tube has a little button here. You just push the button and it extends. It extends to almost, wow, that's pretty long extension. So we're looking at, let me move this a little bit further back. we're looking about 18 inches of it, and close to 18 inches of extension, additional extensions for the tube itself. It's kind of, it gets stuck, it locks in. You push the button, and it locks back out. So not bad backpack if you guys are looking for a nice little simple backpack. But be careful, a lot of schools are not taking backpacks with wheels. So this one, in additional, they have different colors. They have different brands out there. But it's not a bad buy if you're gonna look for something like this going back to school. It has plenty of pockets, plenty of features. I like the rubber ends. I like these things. These very solid out here. Easy to actually. It's easy to keep it waterproof away from stains, and I like the cover to cover this stuff. Now, if you're a kid, I recommend you somebody like 7-year old, 5-year old, and higher, because this is a little heavy. If you're gonna carry it as a backpack, or if you're gonna roll it, you could do it under 5. So not that bad. If you're looking for something like this or any additional things going back to school, this might be a good thing to look into.